Hello everyone and welcome to my final project for the CS50's Introduction to Game Development course. In this video, I will explain what my game is about and why do I consider it to be as complex and distinct from the games we've seen through this course. Okay, so first of all, I decided to create my game using Unity and of course C# because I wanted to get my hands dirty with a 3D environment. At the beginning, I didn't know what name should I give to my game, but after coding a little bit and having a clear view of what the core of it was going to be, I just came up with Jump or Die. And that's because I determined my game to be a platformer. So basically, you have to jump through a bunch of platforms and objects, picking up stars to increase your score with a max of 10, and some of them are hidden. But if you fall, you will burn in flames and you will respawn to the last checkpoint you get, which are these black frames. And you'll have to go through 4 different checkpoints till you reach the end goal. Also, it has 4 different game states or scenes, which are title, play, game over and win scene. The win condition, as mentioned before, is to reach the end goal, which is this blue throne. And once we collide with it, it will take us to the win scene. And the way of losing is running out of time, so you have 10 minutes to make this happen, or you'll get a game over. Game over. One of the assignment objectives was that the bulk of the game logic must be handwritten. So to bring my game to life, I had to write a few scripts, as you can see, and each of them is important to make game objects behave the way I want it. For example, the player movement, the rotation around a specific axis in the case of pickups and inverted cones, the scrolling floor, the translation of platforms in different axes, the floating effect of objects, a death trigger when you collide with spikes or fall into the lava ground, the behavior of checkpoints in final go, etc. One of the things I enjoyed the most while creating the game was adding and making the voices and sound effects on my own, cause it's hilarious hearing myself every time the character jumps or dies. And the last thing I wanna say is that I really enjoyed the process of learning and programming games in this course, so I will definitely recommend it. And of course, if you wanna see a more complete gameplay of my game, I will leave a link in the description below or at the end of this video. And without further to say, thank you for watching. Congratulations!